Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto News Hub. Today, we're going to be diving into the incredible recovery of the crypto market after yesterday's dip. Bitcoin dipped right under 90,000. I think it hit 89 and some change. Breaking down the key numbers from the PPI report released this morning and previewing tomorrow's CPI data as today's PPI report an indication of what's going to be released in the CPI tomorrow. We'll also be watching the stock market, see how it's reacting to the PPI's news this morning. There's a lot to cover, so make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around until the end for this week's price prediction and going into next week, which is going to be the inauguration on January 20th. Now, let's start with the numbers. Let's take a look at the crypto market, how it's actually reacting today. So Bitcoin, it's 96.7. Incredible recovery from yesterday. It actually dipped down to 89 and some change. At one point, I think you had a very, very small window to buy Bitcoin at under 90,000. The bears were definitely trying to push it down, but remarkable recovery this morning. It's actually trading about 6% higher from yesterday's low. Ethereum trading 6%. XRP's been actually performing awesome. It's at 258. Solana, incredible recovery by Solana. It actually dipped to 171 at its low, I believe. Let's see. It's not showing it because it was a dip early in the morning. So I know it dipped. Let's find this dip. Yep, I know it dipped at 170. Anyhow, incredible recovery. It's like 188.79. So, is the market gonna try to push? Is Bitcoin gonna try to push to that 100K mark today or tomorrow? Now, let's get into some other numbers. Market cap is awesome, 3.3 trillion, which is incredible number. Now, let's see. Yesterday's dip cleared out a lot of leverage positions, shorts and longs. A lot of people were taking shorts when the market dipped into the under 90,000. When Bitcoin reached under 90,000, there was a lot of shorts, and then when it rose right back up, it actually took out a lot of shorts, taking out a lot of leverage positions, resetting the market. We also saw an inflow of stable coins into exchanges, a clear sign that investors are ready to buy the dip. There's only one reason why you send stable coins into exchanges. You're not going to be selling your stable coins. You're ready to buy the dip. Okay. Now, institutional players like MicroStrategy, they continue to accumulate Bitcoin. Um, the ETFs have good inflows. Now let's look at another standout. Sui. Sui recovered very nicely. It's trading at 468. It actually hit I believe, 435 at one point of its low. So it remains a standout, holding steady right now at 468, demonstrating its resilience and growing adoption. Okay. Now let's talk about this report that came out came in this morning. Um, the the PPI. It actually came in a little cooler than what it was expected. It showed a zero point 0.2 increase for December, slightly below expectations, which was to be released at a zero point 0.3 on an annual basis. So the PPI rose 3.3%, up from 3.0 in November. The increase was driven by a 9% surge in gasoline prices, while food prices declined, balancing out some of the inflationary pressure. Um, this report also, reassures us that the inflation pressures are present but not accelerating at a high rate, like some people out there were saying. So it's definitely gonna influence the Fed in regards to how aggressive they want to be, or how hawk or how dovish they want to do the rate cuts in 2025. Some people are saying that two rate cuts in 2025. Some people were saying one rate cut, but you never know. The Fed always changes their mind and stuff. So you never know. Yep. So some of the key factors for the price changes are is the PPI coming in. But we got a big report coming out tomorrow. Looking ahead, the CPI, huge report tomorrow morning. Um, it's going to definitely gonna shape the stock market and the crypto market. It's gonna shape the sentiments in the upcoming week. So we if you want, we definitely would love to have a cooler than expected CPI release tomorrow. That would definitely help the stock market and would definitely help the crypto market make a push to that $100,000 Bitcoin and test the new all time high, which sits at about 107 and some change, or 108 for Bitcoin. And of course, if Bitcoin rises, um, rising tide lifts all ships. So all the altcoins will definitely go up. Now, let's look at the market. Let's see how the markets are actually responding. Little mix, but overall, they're all of them are up. The Nasdaq's doing great. Tech's actually doing awesome. It's recovering very nicely from yesterday, and actually the last couple of weeks. It's the last week it didn't do that great. Tesla was down, all the tech, Nvidia was down, but today, nevertheless, it's recovering good. Now, looking ahead, here's my prediction for the major coins this week. If the CPI data is favorable, Bitcoin could definitely retest 100,000 in the next days. Just even tomorrow, it can definitely climb up from 96 and some change to the $100,000 area tomorrow. Ethereum can move to the 35, and Solana will aim for the 200 with a favorable CPI tomorrow. However, if the CPI shows higher than expected inflation, Bitcoin can retest that $90,000 area, and Ethereum will test the 3,000 again. So we're gonna have to keep our eyes open for tomorrow's CPI report. It's gonna be very important. I'm gonna try to do a video around market opening or when the report gets released. But definitely, if anything, I will make a video and see if we can cover some of the news that that's definitely going to affect the market tomorrow, because it's going to be a huge report tomorrow, the CPI. Also, let me know in the comment what coins you're watching, and what are some dips that you're buying in regards to either the stock market, some hidden gems that some of you guys have. Also in the crypto market, what tokens are you guys looking at picking up during this recent dips and stuff? All right, to sum it up, the crypto market has shown an incredible resilience, rebounding strongly from yesterday's dip. PPI data indicates controlled inflation, but tomorrow's CPI report will be a key driver for the week ahead. Okay. If you enjoyed this update, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for more daily insight. Let me know your CPI predictions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.